What's going on, guys? I'm Gold Gas. This episode is about noisy logics. So have a listen, see if this noise is similar to the one you have. If you enjoy, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Push that bell notification button as well. If you don't do that, you might miss out on some new videos that drop. Maybe some new promotions and new competitions, so it's worth doing. All this boiler needs to cure the noise is a proper service. And here she is, running noise free. Beautiful. If you add me on social media, on Instagram or Twitter, then you can find some competitions, promotions, and some plumbing disasters as well. That does it for this video. Thanks for watching.